Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will show you how to use the Affirm Buy Now Pay Later app to make purchases and manage payments easily. So now let's dive in. First, you will need to download the Affirm app from your app store and sign up for an account using your email and or mobile number. You will need to provide some basic information for verification. So, once your account is set up, you can browse through the partner stores listed in the app. These are retailers where you can use Affirm to split your purchase into manageable payments. So, at checkout, choose Affirm as your payment method. You will be asked to apply for a loan, where Affirm will show you a few payment options. So choose the plan that works for you, whether it's splitting your payments over 3, 6, or 12 months. And that is how to use the Affirm Buy Now Pay Later app. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.